Good afternoon, my name is Mara Martinez Pagani, and today I will present my mathematics key activity. So, in this key activity, we'll be resolving one of the problems set by our teacher. First of all, let's read the problem. The manager of a furniture factory observes that the cost of manufacturing 10 chairs per day costs $220, and for manufacturing 30 chairs, it costs $480. The relation between cost and the number of manufactured chairs is linear. So, now that we have the problem, these are the three things that we need to solve. First of all, find the equation of a straight line. Then, find the slope and plot a graph. And then, if 36 chairs are produced daily, what is the manufacturing cost? Let's begin. The first step is finding the dependent and independent variable. In this case, for x, for x number 1, we will have 10, and for x number 2, we will have 30. For y number 1, 220, and for y number 2, 480. This is the relationship that we find in the problem. The costs, 480 and 220, and the number of chairs. Step 2. In order for us to find the equation, we need to know the slope according to the formula. The formula is y equals m times x plus b. To find the slope, we must find m. And using this formula, we found this one. Step 3. Find the slope within the formula. We created this formula, which is m equals y2 minus y1 between x2 minus x1. This equals, replacing it with the values of x and y, 480 minus 220 between 30 minus 10. This gives us a result of 260 between 20, and we raise the zeros, and we have 26 between 2, which is 13. So m is 13. Moving on. Let's go to the step 4. Define the equation by finding b. This is the formula that we have been using. Y equals m times x plus b. Now that we found the slope, which is m, we can now replace it, which is y equals 13 times x plus b. So if we replace it by the actual values, it would be 220 equals 13 times 10 plus b. So now if we replace it, now that we replace it, we can find the answer. 220 equals 130 equals b equals 90. So b equals 90. Now step 5. Answer objective C by replacement of x. Now that we have all the values of the formula, we can now replace x to find the last problem. Y equals 13 times 36 plus 90. This 36 is the value that we replaced from the formula. And this equals $558. So our y is $558, which is the cost of manufacturing 36 chairs daily. And last but not least, the graph. Here I did the graph, which on this side I put the values of y, and on this side the values of x. This is our x1, x2, y1, y2. So these are the 2 points of our linear equation. The first point is located on x10, which is equal to our x1 value. Then it is located on 220, taking into consideration our y1, 220. Here we plot it, plot the point, mark it. Next point, it's located on x30, making reference to x2, 30, and on y 480, which is y2. So here's 480. So we plot it, we mark it, and we did the linear equation, and it is a straight line. Well, a line that it's linear, it's straight, and it doesn't have any curve or an actual slope. So let's check the results of the three things. So in the beginning we said that we had to find the equation of a straight line. We found this equation here. Find the slope and plot a graph. We found the slope here with the formulas, and we graphed. And if 36 chairs are produced daily, what is the manufacturing cost? So here's what we did here on step 5, which was by replacement of x. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed, and it was easy.